My name is Dara PSA. I'm an associate professor of supply chain management at the University of Rhode Island College of Business. I am also the acting director of the Professional Master of Science program in Supply Chain and Applied Analytics program. I received my undergraduate degree in marketing from the University of Minnesota Carlson School of Management and my PhD from Texas Tech University Rawls College of Business, specifically from the Information Systems and Quantitative Sciences department. So I have a relatively interdisciplinary business background in my education. It wasn't until I became a PhD candidate that I transitioned into researching the interface between information systems and supply chain management. I then graduated with my PhD in 2012 with a research focus on the impact of cloud computing on supplier relations. It was then I received an offer for a tenure-track position at the University of Rhode Island. In my teaching, I bridged concepts from multiple business backgrounds to help facilitate student learning through a more interdisciplinary context. My educational background in interdisciplinary research helps me to provide students with a broader context in expressing how new technologies can foster world-class supply chain performance. Welcome to Building Resiliency in Supply. This course has a unique design that's modular. This will allow you to pick and choose what you want to focus on based on your interests and professional background. Every unit has a Part 1 and a Part 2. In Part 1, we introduce you to the fundamentals of operations and supply chain management. If you already have a background in operations or supply chain, you can choose to continue on to Part 2, which focuses on building resiliency in supply as well as risk management. At the end of the course, you will create a risk response plan for a company. This may be the company a student works for or would like to work for, or perhaps are one of your corporate partners. You will also gain experience in utilizing a database for finding supply chain transaction data. Finally, you will be provided a framework to dictate when and how to deploy specific risk management strategies based on the type of uncertainty presented. With increased levels of economic uncertainty, time to market pressures, supply side capacity constraints, and market volatility, this class will prepare you to handle any uncertainty that comes your way. Our purpose is to train you to become your organization's resilient leader and by the end of your program, world-class business performer.